and I'm with Branding Alliance, and we're here today to show you this fun video of us unboxing. But before we get started, let me introduce you to my friend and business partner, Tina.
Hi, I'm Tina, and like Lenore said, we're Branding Alliance, and we're really excited today to share with you on our first unboxing video. So before we get any further, make sure you like our video and subscribe at the button below, and make sure you can keep up with all of the fun stuff that we have planned. Today we're going to be unboxing 4 boxes, and it is going to be a big surprise.
So as we get started, we can see here on the front, one says base, top. We kind of know this is what this one is, and then this is the stand. So we're going to go ahead and move the boxes around and start with the base.
And what we're unboxing today is something that we're really excited about launching with our business. It's going to be an added value for our customers as well as helping us with our new customers. It is from a company called Buzzy booth, and it is an open air selfie station. Very exciting stuff. You can add a lot of fun to your party. It's kind of like Not Your Mama's photo booth. There's no waiting around for it to print. You can go straight to the internet or to yourself.
Ooh, it's a big,
This is a big box. Let me see.
So,
Oh, we got a SKU number.
guess it's ours.
Oh, they've got it packed in there. Nice.
So we got a big foam. Oh man, this is a little heavy. That's good. So this is the base, which I guess will keep it from falling. And I'm hoping you can see this. I'm sure that wasn't
Definitely
very full.
can hear it.
All right.
Okay, so 1 box down.
So now this is the stand. It's upside down if you can't read it, but this side looked a little more open than the other one. So we decided to leave it this way.
Okay. Let's see what we got here.
So we're very excited about this because this program will allow us to, when we have special events, to let people take selfies, and they can also input their information to have it emailed to them, and it can also collect their cell phone number for it to be sent that way. And the best part is when the event is over, we will be able to provide the event owner a digital gallery of every single picture that was taken. And so they can actually look at each and every one, even though some people already sent them out. Wow, lots of more weight in here.
Yeah. I think we're going to have to lay it on its side and slide it out, actually.
Okay.
You guys get to see it really unboxing here. All right. Another great thing that we are going to offer with this product line is the follow-up. So you have a great event, you have a lot of fun, and you'd like to send out a thank you to your friends and family that attended, or your business associates that attended your event. Let's do like that. There we go. And we can take care of that for you. We can create an email to go out to your attendees saying thanks so much for coming. Look forward to seeing you again soon. If you're a business owner, we could send out a bounce back coupon to get them to come back and visit you another time. So it's great for expos, but it's also great for small businesses to sort of build a customer retention program, and we can take care of most of the legwork for you. Oops, don't break it.
Yep. Great day one to break it.
That is not good. You break it, you bought it, okay? Let's see.
I think that might be the back.
Okay, so maybe I have to turn it around. Let's see. Sorry for my back to the camera. There we go.
All right.
All right. Well, that was pretty easy.
That was pretty
Seems
easy.
relatively easy.
So, all right, we're getting there. So
Okay.
what's next?
The next part would be the Buzzy top. So
Okay.
let's see what this is going to look like. I'm kind of excited about this part. This is one of the things that makes it very unique and is going to give you a much higher quality photo when you take your selfie, or you could use it as an ussy with your friends, right? And basically, the thing that's in here is going to take your photo to the next level. We all know that sometimes when you're at a party, maybe the lighting is a little dim, maybe you're outside and the lighting is wonky. This is actually going to alleviate any of those lighting issues in your photo, because it is a big white disc, actually. This is actually a 15-inch light ring. And so just like all of those famous makeup artists, YouTubers that have such great lighting, anybody that does some professional quality videos has a very nice light. And this actually is going to replicate that lighting in your selfie. So no more dark selfies from the party, no more fluorescent lights making shadows on your faces. This is gonna light you up and make you look fantastic.
So for this part, we actually have to unscrew it and put it together. So we're not actually gonna do that, but this gives you the overall look.
Yeah.
And I'm guessing this is where our iPad, which is what we think is in the bottom box, goes. So let's open the one final box.
Okay.
And hopefully this is our iPad. And then we will be all set. And again, we're Branding Alliance. We're in South Florida. We are really hoping that people will want to have pictures at their events. And yes, ooh, we got rose gold. So this is our iPad that goes inside the glass, and then this will be our whole station.
So the iPad will be right here, and the great part is you'll be able to see what you're taking a photo of. So it's going to actually give you the selfie view right here. We're also going to offer to our clients a customized frame. So just like you would with a Snapchat filter, you're going to be able to get a customized frame that says, "Happy birthday, Lenore," and have your color theme and whatever else you want. We're also going to offer to our clients a custom backdrop if they want to add that on. So you can have a real life photo booth with props and backdrops to match your theme. And all of that will be included in our different packages that we're going to offer, which you can find more information on our website, brandingalliance.net.
And we hope that once everybody starts taking their selfies with our station, that they always hashtag us. And our hashtag is lights, camera, selfies with an S on the end.
That's right.
So watch for us, and we thank you for watching our video today.